Hello, it is holiday season. You don't need a holiday to devour this phenomenal vegan caramel dip. Wow. Welcome back to Healthy, Sustainable Living Tips, which of course includes great food. I just made up this batch of vegan caramel dip. Found the recipe from Eating by Elaine. I will link it down in the description. But holy cow, folks, if you want something really simple to devour and to share with friends, family, coworkers, whatever, although my hunch is there may not be much left to share once you taste it. Super simple ingredients. They're all pantry ingredients from my pantry. And those are Medjool Dates, some plant-based milk, a little bit of sea salt, tiny bit of sea salt, coconut cream, i.e. coconut oil off the top of a refrigerated can of coconut milk, some maple syrup. I will link the recipe below, and I'm so thankful to Elaine for creating this recipe because I have done this so many times, and you will too. It is amazing. Good nutrition, no refined sugars, good fiber from the dates, and some good healthy fat from the coconut milk. Hold on, because I'm going to take a big old bite out of this. Here goes. I'm not kidding. You have to have this. You have to make this. Once you make it, you'll be a return and repeat offender. My favorite dunking tool for this caramel is a really great crispy Fuji or Honeycrisp apple. Does not get any better than this. Of course, you can use the dip like a sauce over some ice cream or on toast. Kind of really great on top of peanut butter toast. But play with your imagination. Enjoy. Love for you to like the video. Share it with your foodie pals, cooking buddies. And let me know how you like it. Happy to share these goodies with you. Eat well, live fully, and mindfully of others, including our dear mother. Blessings to all.